Someone asked me if you could put a DES keycap on a low-profile keyboard, and the answer is, although you could, it's a bad idea because they fall quite easily. Now, the reason for that is because the sidewalls are too high and the stems are too high. Not only that, you have interference issues with the housing of the switch. So, I took the 4 keycaps you wanted, removed part of the sidewall, made the stem shorter, tried it, and it works a lot better, but there's still interference issues. So after looking at the original keycaps for this keyboard, I noticed differences. I'll modify my design and print it again. Let's see how it goes.